Options chain simplified, what these boxes actually mean. Ever stared at a sea of numbers in an option chain and felt totally lost? Don't worry. In this post, I'll break down everything you need to know, using SHRIRAMFIN's July 2025 expiry as our real-world example. Let's decode it together. An option chain is simply a table. It shows available call and put options for a stock at different strike prices and expiry dates. It reveals what the market is thinking. Is the stock going up or down? Where's the resistance? Where's the support? In this post, we'll use SHRIRAMFIN, trading at 674 rupees and 30 paise, to explain everything in the simplest way. Here's how to read it. The left side. Call options used when traders think the price will go up. The right side. Put options used when they think it'll go down. In the middle. Strike price, that's the target level. You'll also see LTP, or last traded price, and volume, how many contracts were traded. Think of a call option like a bet that the stock will go up. Say you buy the 660 call for 28 rupees and 75 paise. You are hoping SHRIRAMFIN rises above 688 rupees and 75 paise, that's your break-even. Go higher than that, and you are in profit. Go lower, and you are at a loss. Put options are the opposite, you use them when you expect the stock to fall. Example, buy the 670 put for 21 rupees and 65 paise. Your break-even is 648 rupees and 35 paise. If SHRIRAMFIN drops below that, you are in profit. If not, you are out the premium. Here's what the data tells us. Massive volume on the 670 and 660 puts. Call volumes are weaker. Call prices are falling, not a bullish sign. That short build-up label? It means traders are betting on a down move. Conclusion, traders expect SHRIRAMFIN to stay below 670 rupees. Now let's check the higher strike prices. 680 call has huge volume, over 15 lakh contracts, but price is falling. Put premiums from 680 to 700 are rising. Conclusion, strong resistance at 680 to 690. Bearish pressure remains. The bounce, if any, may just be short covering. Based on all this, we can draw some key levels. Resistance around 680 and 690 thanks to high call selling. Support forming around 660 and 670 due to heavy put buying. Most likely expiry range? 660 rupee to 680 rupees. So what's the takeaway? SHRIRAMFIN is trading at 674 rupees and 30 paise. Data suggests bearish sentiment with resistance at 690 and support near 660. The likely expiry range? Between 660 rupees and 680 rupees. This isn't just for traders. Reading an option chain gives you real-time insight into what the market expects. It helps you make logical, informed decisions, not emotional ones. Even if you are a student or investor, learning this is a game changer. Found this helpful? Hit like and comment learned if you now understand option chains better. Want a free simplified PDF guide? Just DM me. And remember, this is for education, not stock tips. Trade smart, stay curious, and keep learning.